What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q. Today, let me turn around so y'all can see me. Hey. Got another video for y'all. And this one is, what mod should you do first to your truck? I get this question all the time. Hey, man, I just got a new F150. What mod should I do first? And honestly, guys, this is going to probably be like one of the cheaper, budget-friendly type lists that I can think of. First one, soon as you get your truck, guys, first thing you should do, go get the windows tinted. Just go get the windows tinted. Trust me, it's gonna make a huge difference how your truck looks. So on mine, you can see I have 20% over factory on the back and 20% in factory over front. Actually, there's a story behind this. This side, actually passenger side, you see here, is 5% on this side, but the other two on the opposite side over there, 20% on the front, 20% on the back. Reason is someone broke into my truck. I'm not sure if y'all saw the video. If you haven't, I'll drop a link right there. And I had to get both of these windows replaced on this side. So in order for this side to match that side, they just did 5%, because on the opposite side, I have 20% over 30. So it looks like 5. So that's what you see there. And you can see, it makes the truck look super good. It just changes the way the truck is gonna look. So first thing you do, tint your windows. It's gonna blacken out the truck. It's gonna blacken out the interior. It's gonna give you some privacy. And it just looks badass going down the road with dark windows. I don't care what nobody say, it just looks good. Now, at nighttime, with the curves and stuff, yes, it is hard to see curves. Also, if you want to tint your front windshield, go right ahead. You can. I personally probably will here soon tint mine, maybe 70 or 50, not sure yet. But, you know, that's another option too as well. The next one I got for you guys is going to be either debadge or color match your emblem. So what I mean by that is, you can see here, my emblems originally came with the chrome. So I actually took them off and went with a red and black color there. And also, I removed my EcoBoost sticker here, and I also took off my, this is a 4x4 Sport. It was right back here, I took that off. So honestly, just debadging and cleaning up the truck is going to look great. Now, if you don't want to debadge and you want to keep your emblems, just color match them. Color match to your truck, make them look good, you know. I mean, chrome has its place, don't get me wrong. Just kind of make it coordinate, you know, like your clothes, you just want to coordinate, man. I think I was about to say, you can see back here, I have debadged all my emblems, and I have color matched the Ford emblem back here, and I also have color matched this one as well. So it just keeps the whole black and red theme going, keeps the truck looking nice and uniform. So that would be my second suggestion. Go ahead, either debadge your truck or color match your emblems. You can plastic dip, you can buy them off eBay. I did buy mine off eBay. I'll try to put a link in the description down there for you all. But yeah, that would be number 2. The third thing you can do, guys, is go ahead, either get you some, I'm gonna kind of lump these together, get you some aftermarket taillights or headlights. Now, I'm starting with the taillights. They are expensive, don't get me wrong. Like if you want the factory LED that you see like on the Larius and Raptor, guys, I'm trying to get those aftermarket, $500 to $700. And if you don't have with Bliss, you're gonna have to get a adapter type thingy. So that's like another $100, $150. So if you can't afford that, do what I did. I just tinted my taillights, guys, and I'll kind of show y'all what I did. This actually is not tint. This is a spray tint, as you can see, but it looks good. It just makes the truck goes with my whole black and red theme. It's a cheap alternative. I bought the BHT tint. It was a $10, $15 can. I used it twice now. This is my second time recoating this. So just keep in mind, you may have to go back because it does tend to fade, but it's super simple. Just tape it off and then you just paint it. Hopefully y'all can hear me because it's windy as crap out here. But yeah, that's one option. Second option is gonna be get you some aftermarket headlights. Now, headlights is gonna change the look of your truck. You can see here, I have the Enzo switchback headlight. And what I mean by switchback, at nighttime, this is a LED white bar. And then when I turn my turn signals on, this whole bar turns amber or orange. So you can see here, just look good. It has a whole black housing as opposed to the white housing. So it just changes the front end of the truck. It looks really, really good. Really, really mean, really, really good looking. Get some aftermarket tail lights if you can't paint them, or get some aftermarket headlights. If you can't afford aftermarket headlights, just wait on them. Some people tint theirs. I've seen that. I'm not gonna tint my headlights because that's my visibility, but that's just me. But I have seen people do it, and it does look good. So that would be the next thing. Another thing you can do, and I think one of the highly suggested ones, guys, is swap all your bulbs for LEDs or HIDs. So in my housing, I have 0 halogen bulbs anywhere on my truck. My Enzos are LEDs, my fog lights are LEDs, my light bars are LED. LED here, I swapped out the rear bed here. Those are LEDs as well. My reverse is LED, and actually I just went back to stock halogen braking turn signals, but prior to, they were LEDs as well. Also, my license plate lights, they are all LEDs, guys. So swapping everything out to LEDs is just gonna give you that nice, crisp look, you know, that when it's gonna make your truck look very modern, very current with the times, as opposed to that old halogen yellow look, you know. So yeah, just go ahead and change all your bulbs over time, because they can be expensive, don't get me wrong, but yeah, just go ahead and swap your bulbs for LEDs. It's just gonna look good, trust me. So get rid of that yellow tinted look. That's so old school. I'm surprised manufacturers are still putting them yellow bulbs in vehicles, man. It's 2020. Put LEDs in there, man. Stop making people buy them. Those are the things I think you should do first. Do those mods first to get your truck kind of going, get your build going. That shouldn't cost too much money. The headlights and stuff you may have to plan for, but the debadging and the tint and the LED bulbs, guys, that's going to be simple standard stuff that you can do very, very quickly to your truck. Now I will get into, like, you know, a leveling kit, but that's not really this video. I just wanted to drop a few quick mods that you can do really quick that's going to make your truck look a lot different from when you bought it, and it's going to be some nice upgrades. It's going to make you look good, you know. But anyway, that's all I got. Your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next one, baby. Peace.